Many non-Muslim, they ask the question, and the question is why most of the Muslims are terrorists and fundamentalists. Most of the Muslims, 99.99% Muslims are peaceful. First, it is not a fact that most of the Muslims are fundamentalists or terrorists. The fundamental rules or the principle of Islam is to promote peace, harmony and love. Islam basically believes, and the history has proven from Arab to the whole world within a short period of time, if any religion has no message of peace and love, so this is the message that we should prove, as Rasulullah is mercy for all mankind. We being a follower of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we should be kind and mercy for others. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.